We are starting a new topic known as boat and stream. Boat and stream. So before coming to an actual question, we'll see some concept formulates in boat and stream. We'll move towards formulates concept in boat and stream. Same as speed and distance. But what happens here? Here, one way you are going with the flow, that is known as downstream. You are going with flow is known as downstream, and when you are going opposite flow, known as upstream. Suppose speed of boat is B. Speed of boat is B. And speed of current or speed of water or speed of stream, say C. So downstream is speed becomes B plus C. You are going with flow. You are going with flow, with current, with stream. Same opposite to that, you are going opposite flow. Therefore, the speed of upstream becomes B minus C. For example, suppose speed of boat is 8 km per hour. Speed of current is 4 km per hour. So 8 plus 4, you are going 12 km per hour, that is downstream. And when you are going opposite flow, that is 8 minus 4, you are going 4 km per hour. This is a basic concept in boat and stream. Going towards questions formula. Now you have come to know what is D. D is downstream. And how we calculate downstream? Downstream, speed of downstream, speed of boat plus speed of current. Upstream, that is U. You can say upstream is U. You are going opposite flow, therefore it is known as B minus C. When downstream is given and upstream is given, speed of boat is calculated as, or you can find out speed of boat as half into downstream plus upstream. And when you want speed of current, you are writing half into downstream minus upstream. Hope you followed this. If it is clear to you, say yes. We'll move towards questions. If it is clear to you, say yes. We'll go ahead. Now, in case of boat and stream, how we calculate average speed of boat? Average speed of boat. Average speed of boat downstream into upstream upon speed of boat. This is average speed of boat downstream into upstream that is B plus C into B minus C upon B. Now we'll move towards question. Note it down and we'll move towards the question. Note it down. If it is clear, say yes. We'll move ahead. Now, first, question is in front of you. Speed of boat, that is type 1, speed of boat is given, and speed of stream, or you can say speed of current. Both are given separately. Find the time taken by a boat to go upstream and downstream. If you have to calculate upstream, then calculate upstream. If you have to calculate downstream, calculate downstream. Now, we'll move towards the question. If a boat travels with a speed of 10 km per hour, means B is given 10 km per hour. And the speed of stream is 5 km per hour. Stream means speed of current is 5 km per hour. What would be the time taken by boat to go 60 km downstream? How we calculate downstream? Speed of downstream is B plus C. That is 10 plus 5, 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour means in 1 hour. In 1 hour, 15 km. But we want to go 60 km. In 1 hour, 15 km. What time you will take to cover 60 km? And that is your answer. Yes, 4 hours. Okay, clear. We'll move towards next. If it is clear, say yes. We'll move ahead. But same question, just I am changing this. "30 km upstream." Now tell me the answer. Instead of downstream, if it is written 30 km upstream. Calculate and tell me the answer. Yes, very good. Akshay, Prathamesh, Alicia, Neha, very good. You got it. It's very nice. Now, one more question based on this only. Instead of 10, it is written 12. And instead of 60, it is given as 56. Instead of downstream, it is written as upstream. Chalo, calculate and tell me the answer.